So hi everybody, staying home grandma. You know it's Thursday. I only got a couple of things. I got oh, I'm looking for it down there and up here. I got some Dr. MK's Kids Probiotic Shoes. I got these for my grandchildren. So the and I'm gonna keep them here. Keep a couple of vitamins here because they do stay here quite a bit. And then I'm tearing this box up. Well, that's good. I got this. And I got this for up here in my art room because I can put things in it. I can put paper in it. I can put pencils in it. You know, paintbrushes, all that kind of stuff. Because Lord knows I got a bunch of junk. Well, it isn't junk at all, but at least to me. Might be to my husband. But at least it's not all visually downstairs. I don't have to run up and downstairs for things. And as I get things, or I find things, I bring them upstairs to do what I got to do. I don't remember where I got this, but this is very cute. It's also wrapped very good. So that, alright. It was not breaking, it didn't. And I mean, they wrapped it. They wrapped it. And that was good. So how's your day? Mine's doing good. I'm trying to open this up when I'm not really talking. But anyway, got a lot of art to do. I'll show you a couple of pieces that are the things that are finished. They're brown of the outside of the covers of the book, but I'll show you guys in a minute. Then I'll tell you about the cooking show. So that's it. That was a job in and of itself. And they have these foam cushions in here, and that's good because Amira likes to make houses. These look like maybe they don't. I think that they do come apart. So these are good because Amira, my next to the oldest granddaughter, loves these foam cushions for making things. So that's good. I'll give those to her. Let's see what this is. This is actually for paper. But, this is the cloth to clean it. So that's good. So anyway, that's pretty much what I got with that. I thought maybe I might have sides, but then again, for paper, it wouldn't. So that will probably go over in the back. And like I said, in a couple of weeks when I'm finished, God willing, and the creek don't rise, I will be able to show you some things. So let me show you what I worked on. You've kind of seen it, but now it's done. So this is one of the book binders. And this is the outside of the book. I've got to finish a little bit of it and put some embellishments on it. And then I think you saw this one. And this is how it actually folds. Well, this is how I want it to fold. So that it opens up. So that it won't be, I don't know. But I like it folding that way. So I'm going to put some embellishments on it and do that one too. And then now the embellishments that I made were like some of these little roses. I'm going to do some of those and do on them. Now, I got to do the shout outs. Now, you know what I'm going to do? I'll wait till Sunday. Well, I want to do one because he's always there. Whenever I go on live, he's always there, and then I'll do them again. But the one shout out I'm going to do today, and then I'll do all the rest of them Sunday, is Rusty Faith. And I'll put him in the, I'll put his email in the comment section. He's a real good friend. And he's always there for me. I mean, whenever I go on, he's the first one on there. And, I'm sure he's got a lot of other things he could be doing, but he is always there. So I got to give a shout out to Rusty Faith. And please, stop by and tell him that I sent you. So I'm going to go off because I'm going to do a little cleaning up in here and find a few things or put some things away and do some other things. But I love you all. Take care. God bless. Happy Thursday. Bye-bye.